Outstanding Commercial Mixed-Use Project, Park City Film Studios. Located on the outskirts of Park City, this $23.7 million project is a full-service, Hollywood-level production studio highlighted by three 15,000 square foot sound stages and another 48,000 square feet of office and workshop space. The complex marks the first phase of a master-planned film production community complete with additional digital stages, screening rooms, and a hotel. It is the first sound studio in the world to be built utilizing insulated concrete forms, which offered superior acoustic performance. The building's form is largely anchored on the three simple soundstage volumes with canted roof lines reminiscent of the surrounding Wasatch Mountains. Studios were designed with a 35-foot height and 100-foot clear spans and required a structural roof design that could withstand Park City snow loads and seismic loads. The project was submitted by Sahara and AJC Architects.